Okay, y'all, I'm back with another video. It's a happy Taco Tuesday. So, this is the ground beef that I'm using. This is the taco seasoning that I'm using. And of course, garlic powder. And I will eat that once I'm done. Peace. Okay, y'all, this is my meat. It's still cooking. As y'all can see, I haven't drained it yet. And I will bring you guys back when I'm done. Halfway done. And this is the refried beans for our Taco Tuesday. And this is what I am cooking. I am cooking tostadas. Bam, bam. Tostadas. Okay, y'all, this is my meat. Drained. I drank my meat. That is water that y'all see. So yes, this is seasoned, and I'm making sure that my meat is fully cooked. So yes, I will bring you guys back when I plate up. Peace and happy Taco Tuesday. Okay, y'all, this is the final touches. Tostadas. Y'all see it? The tostadas and the nachos. Alright, love you all. Make sure you all comment, like, share, subscribe. And turn on your notification bell so you won't miss a video. Because I do drop a video once a week. Love you guys and happy Taco Tuesday. Peace.